Cags here, Boulder Boatworks. Gonna talk oar locks real quick. First, we'll talk about our skiff and low side oar tower. So we've got the Sawyer Cobra oar lock. This is a non-threaded version here in this stainless steel pipe. So we build this pipe out to give us the right angle and height from our rower's position on these oar locks. This is a fully adjustable rig here, so we've got 3 different positions, center, front, rear, and then also 2 different height positions here on the oar tower. So essentially, you pick your height. We're gonna go the lower height here. Pick your position and just kind of twist this down into position. Once you get it there, there's another pin that goes through underneath, and once you get that into place, it kind of prevents that whole oar tower from pulling out. And then there's another D-ring that goes in there. Moving on, we're gonna go to the Pro Guide high side here. This is another Sawyer Cobra, which is actually threaded. So for this adjustment, you're gonna need a 15/16 wrench. Pop that on there, get it started. Once you get that nut off, you actually have bearings on the top and bottom. So you can take this out, grab your bearing, move it to whatever position you'd like. We're going to keep it in the center here. Put your oar lock through there, bearing back on, kind of get it started with your hand, and then use that 15/16 wrench, tighten it up. And what I like to do is kind of tighten it all the way down till it kind of stops and it's tight, knowing that it's not going to spin very well, and then kind of back it out from there. It's kind of personal preference, about a turn and a half, but you want that oar lock to spin freely, and you'll be rowing down the river.